Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to enable Wake on LAN in Windows 11. First method is change network adapter properties. Second method is enable Wake on LAN using command prompt. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.